हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अजय मेनन और मेरे चैनल का नाम है एएम टॉक स्पोर्ट। अगर आप पहली बार आ रहे हो ये चैनल पे तो हेलो, वी आर गोइंग टू बी प्रीव्यूइंग द एलिमिनेटर 2 बिटवीन राजस्थान रॉयल्स एंड सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद। तो भाई पेनल्टीमेट मैच है, सेकंड लास्ट मैच है इस आईपीएल 2024 का, जो मेरे हिसाब से हैज बीन वन ऑफ द मोस्ट बैलेंस्ड एंड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट आईपीएल्स दैट आई विटनेस्ड ओवर द रीसेंट पास्ट। और मेरे हिसाब से जो टॉप थ्री टीम्स है, केकेआर, Rajasthan Royals और SRH, in my opinion, have been the best three teams throughout the tournament. हाँ, राजस्थान लास्ट में काफी मैचेस हारी, but the initial form was fantastic. KKR have been stupendous, superb throughout this IPL, and SRH, obviously they are the highest scorers. I mean, they've got 250 plus scores. Like it was just like Brian Lara cricket, यार, stick cricket. वैसा था the batting of Travis Head, Abhishek Sharma. I mean, माइंड बॉगलिंग। तो ये जो तीन टीम है मेरे हिसाब से बेस्ट थ्री टीम्स है, डिजर्वेडली देयर इन द टॉप। एंड ऑफ कोर्स SRH लॉस्ट द फर्स्ट गेम अगेंस्ट KKR एंड हेंस देयर इन दिस एलिमिनेटेड टू। राजस्थान रॉयल्स beating RCB in their first eliminator and coming through to this game. So it's going to be a fantastic eliminator to tonight. It's going to start in some time. थोड़ा टाइम है मैच के लिए. We'll quickly get to the preview of the game at Chepauk in Chennai. So how are the teams going to look? Let's find out next. So भाई, Rajasthan Royals मेरे हिसाब से are going to name an unchanged lineup. I think this is what has worked best for them. और मेरे हिसाब से जिस तरीके से संदीप शर्मा, आवेश खान and Trent Bolt अपना pace bowling complement करते, it's a fine attack. And now Ashwin and UZCL as well. Ashwin picking up the play of the match. कमिंग इन वेरी लेट इन द टूर्नामेंट। मैंने एक राजस्थान के ऊपर एक वीडियो किया था, इज दिस द बेस्ट बॉलिंग यूनिट। उसमें अश्विन एक प्लेयर थे जिनका परफॉर्मेंस काफी खराब था कंपेयर टू द अदर बॉलर्स, बट ही हैज पिक्ड इट अप। एंड ऐश अन्ना, you can't doubt him, man. He's a legend, and whenever you challenge him, he produces a performance. So I don't think so और कुछ major changes होने वाला है. Butler obviously is gone, but yeah, I think in the batting order they would be expecting Yashasvi Jaiswal to finally deliver, and you never know. मेरे हिसाब से I always feel that innings, that match-winning innings is just around the corner for him, because that boy is so talented and he's shown us time and again that he's got everything in his batting arsenal. But unfortunately, this year has been on and off, more off than on. But जैसे मैं आपको बता रहा था कि I always feel कि that good innings is always around the corner. Maybe it could be tonight. And then, of course, you have Sanju Samson, you have Riyan Parag, and you have Shimron Hetmeyer and Roman Powell, now two finishers in the game as well. Very handy if Rajasthan have to chase. SRH की बात करें तो I think they have a little more dilemma in their team selection, how it's going to be. But I think Aiden Markram could return. Maybe you could see Glenn Phillips. Good to see Rahul Tripathi back, or hopefully Travis Head starts firing. He generally does well against teams wearing blue, and राजस्थान डू हैव ब्लू, तो थोड़ा डर तो है। बॉलिंग अटैक में मेरे हिसाब से ऑफ कोर्स पैट कमिंस लीडिंग द अटैक, एंड नट्टू एंड भुवी always there. Maybe we could see Mayank Markande in these conditions as well. You never know. But overall, I think the Rajasthan 11 is a little more settled than the SRH 11. Having said that, I think it's going to be a very close contest. I think जो भी team toss जीतेगा will probably decide to chase. So वो एक ड्यू का हो सकता है. Chennai is very hot and humid at this time of the year, so in the second half of the game you could possibly see dew, and it would be conducive for the team chasing. तो मेरे हिसाब से जो भी टॉस जीतेगा will chase. And SRH का एक है, I mean, although hypothetically if say Rajasthan decide to bowl and SRH get that start, Travis Head and Abhishek, and if they score over 220 230 runs once again, it's going to be very difficult for Rajasthan. So it's going to be a very interesting game, ekdam balanced game. And before I come to the predictions, my predictions, let me just share this page, which is my subreddit. The link is in the description. It's AM Talk Sport only. तो आप जाके वहां पे प्लीज मीम सबमिट करना. मुझे एक मीम रिव्यू करना है. Maybe after IPL is over, we'll do a proper meme review of all the cricket memes, football memes. सब memes भेजो यार. जाके join करो subreddit and become a member and start posting content. We'll do a collaboration. मतलब you guys and me, and we'll probably get someone on the show and we'll do a nice meme review section, which will be थोड़ा सा light-hearted. Yeah, so finally match predictions. मेरे हिसाब से दिल तो कहता है राजस्थान, राजस्थान हल्ला बोल. बट दिमाग somehow मुझे कहता है SRH. I think ये इसीलिए है क्योंकि I generally don't pick Rajasthan as my favorites. I don't want to jinx them, and hence the दिल दिमाग वाला dilemma. But मेरे हिसाब से तो लग रहा है कि जो टीम टॉस जीतेगा, I think उनको काफी एडवांटेज है इस गेम में. सो द टॉस इज गोइंग टू बी ऑल इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड that could possibly decide the outcome of the game. In any case, I think it's going to be a very closely fought contest, and the team waiting, KKR, it's going to be a very difficult final यार. तो देखते क्या होता है आज के गेम में. आप अपने predictions नीचे comment section में जरूर लिखिए. Comments, जो भी आपको comments लिखना है डेफिनेटली लिखिए. मैं सभी लोग के साथ interact करता हूँ, काफी मजा आता है. Our community is now 405 subscribers, and I hope it becomes 1000 subscribers before IPL final. I really hope, because वो World Cup के टाइम में बहुत मजा आएगा. The T20I World Cup, I'll be covering all of that. So along with you, we'll have a lot of fun on this channel. Right. This is Ajay Menon. I'm signing off from this video. I'll see you in another video soon, probably previewing the IPL final. And leave your comments below. Like, share, and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Share it with your friends as well. यार, spread the word. लोगों से फोन लेके सब्सक्राइब करवाओ. AM Talk Sport, जाओ YouTube पे सर्च करो, सब्सक्राइब करवाओ. Until next time, this is Ajay Menon signing off. अल्लाह बोल.